Happy Sunday, marketeers. This is your weekly screencast on what's coming up. Tomorrow, February the 11th, everything through 2.07 is due. And you have, you can see on your calendar here, your serial project was due last week. Some of you still haven't turned that in. So everything through 2.07 should be turned in by tomorrow. If you are behind, you need to get in touch with me as soon as possible through the Remind app or whatever. So we are technically in week 7, which will be due the 25th, which is next Monday. And we're going to do 2.08 and 2.09 and 2.10. So let's take a quick look at what we've got going on here. 2.08 is talking about features and benefits of marketing products, and how can I learn to communicate products benefits to ensure appropriateness of products for the customer. You've got to know what the customer is looking for so you know what to point out of the features and benefits to the customer. It's very important that you understand what features and benefits are. And if you're selling a product, I don't care whether it's a car, shoes, clothes, whatever, you need to point out and understand for yourself. You've got to know. If you work in a shoe store, you better study all those shoes and know what each shoe has to offer so that you can help the customer who's looking for the unique benefit for them or the hidden benefit they don't know about. They're depending on you to point that out. So you've got the review notes. There's a video I want you to watch, the lap assignment and the new information, and then you've got a discussion and a quiz, and that is 2.08. Now let's look at 2.09 slowly. The selling process. Now, how can I explain the selling process to someone else effectively? What is the selling process? Now, for every business, it is different. They decide how you're going to approach the customer, what you do, what you say to the customer, how you close the sale, how you keep them from walking out on you. So you're gonna do notes on the selling process. There's a video I want you to take notes on. Converting features to benefits. That is an assignment that you're gonna have to do, and if you ever go into the marketing business, you're gonna have to know how to do that. Every product has features, but how do you make it a benefit to the customer that makes them happy, that fits them? Closing and rejections, how to handle that. Handling customer objections. We're going to talk about difficult customers here. And you will run into that. There will be difficult customers. The selling process discussion and the quiz. Then you have 2.010, which is only the vocabulary. And it just kind of reiterates, it's some stuff you need to know to understand the features, benefits. For example, trading up, trading down, product substitution. If I'm trying to sell somebody a pair of shoes and their biggest interest is arch support, they may be looking at one shoe that they think is affordable, but if I can explain to them they're going to get a better product if they just pay a few dollars more, that's trading up. Trading down is just the opposite. So understanding how to approach the customer with open-ended questions, how to talk to them, and how to best meet their needs is what 2.10 is about. And that's what is due for next week. Now remember, you can check your calendar. Your weekly assignment sheets are here. I also have updated the graduation portfolio, and it shows different projects that we have done that you can use in your project, in your graduation portfolio. And let's say that you need something in financial, and you choose either the 102 research project or the 207 Follow Nike Star. You can put it in your portfolio, then go to where I have it listed on here, and you can find reflections for you to use in your portfolio. Now, remember, you can only use each of these once. So I have put 102 under financial, it's under critical thinking, it's also under information, and productivity and accountability. You choose which place you want to put it, but you can only use it once. The same thing with the 207, Another Fallen Nike Star, the observational research projects you did, and the serial project. So you decide where you want them, and then come over here to find the reflection about that. The serial project. A couple of people have not completed that. That was due February 4th. And I'm not sure if you're procrastinating or if you don't understand, but just know, here's some examples for you to help you. You will need to click on this Project Serial Questions. That's your actual marketing plan. It's worth 50 points. Then you add your drawings. I have gotten some awesome drawings of some boxes. They're worth 25 points. And then the commercials worth 25 points. So for the whole thing is 100 points. So make sure you get that in. And again, I cannot just tell you enough. If you are not where you should be, please contact me via remind or an email or whatever. I can't help you if I don't hear from you. So please do that. And I hope you have a great week, and I hope this helps you, and I will talk to you soon.